The next type of vascular connective tissue in corpuscles, we have white blood cells, also called as white blood corpuscles or leukocytes. Because they are colorless, therefore they are also regarded as leukocytes. These WBCs or leukocytes are more commonly called as the soldiers of the body. Soldiers of the body. Because they help in the defense mechanism. Because they help the body to fight against diseases and infection. If we compare WBC to RBC, the WBCs are nucleated cells. They are nucleated cells. That means they have the presence of nucleus. These WBCs are broadly divided into two categories. The first type is called as granulocyte and the other type is called as agranulocyte. Firstly, we'll discuss about granulocyte. Granulocytes are called as granulocyte because their cytoplasm do not have any granules. The cytoplasm of the granulocyte WBC is without any granules. Granulocyte WBC, the cytoplasm is with granules. The cytoplasm show the presence of granules, and due to this presence of granules, they are regarded as granulocyte WBC. These granulocyte WBC are further classified into three types. They are neutrophils, basophils, and the third category is acidophils. All these three types of granulocyte WBC have granules present in their cytoplasm. The neutrophils are called as neutrophils because the granules present in the cytoplasm are neutral. They are neither acidic nor basic. They are neutral. Whereas in case of basophil, the granules are stained with basic dye. The granules stain with basic dye. Therefore, they are called as basophils. Whereas in case of acidophils, the granules are stained with acidic dye. Therefore, they are called as acidophils. These acidophils are also called as eosinophils. All these three types help in the defense of the body. Coming on to their functions in brief. Neutrophils forms the first line defense of the body. It forms the first line defense of the body. Basic function of neutrophil is phagocytosis. Whenever an infection is there, it is the neutrophil which reacts first with the antigen, and their basic function is phagocytosis. Coming on to basophils. Basophils help in the repair work. Whenever there is an injury, these basophils help in the repair work. Coming on to eosinophils, also called as acidophils. These eosinophils helps to fight the allergic condition. Helps to fight against the allergic condition. This is about granulocyte. Now coming on to agranulocyte. Agranulocyte WBCs are those WBCs in which The cytoplasm is without any granule. These agranulocyte is of two types, monocyte and lymphocyte. Monocyte and lymphocyte. This monocyte is the largest WBC. It is the largest WBC and the cytoplasm is devoid of granules. Coming on to the functions. Monocyte along with the neutrophils forms the first line defense of the body. Along with neutrophil forms the first line defense of the body. And this lymphocyte is responsible for the formation of antibodies. The WBC, which is present in the most abundant amount is neutrophil. It is the maximum WBC present in the blood. Largest WBC is monocyte. Smallest WBC is lymphocyte. WBC present in minimal amount is basophil. Coming on to the next type of vascular connective tissue, that is the lymph. If we talk about the composition of lymph, the lymph mainly contains blood plasma plus WBCs. In blood plasma, it is devoid of certain proteins. Or we can also say that it is that portion of the blood which does not contain RBC. This lymph is commonly regarded as the middleman of the body. It is also called as the middleman of the body. It is present between blood and organ and transport the nutrients from blood to the organ and from organ to the blood. If here it is blood, if this is blood and say this is any organ, this lymph is present between organ and blood and helps in exchange of material. This is organ, this is blood, this is lymph. Exchange of material takes place with the help of lymph. The blood gives a substance to the lymph and lymph gives it to the organ. Therefore, it is regarded as the middleman of the body.